What's going on, YouTube? So today we're gonna head out to Erwin and the Unicoi areas in Tennessee that were hit by the Hurricane Helene. We may possibly go to North Carolina a little over a week. Now it's been a week exactly since Helene, so most of the roads are kind of cleared off. They're doing a good job. A bunch of the locals and local communities done a good job cleaning everything up. So I'm gonna go up there, maybe grab some water, donate it to the people that's up there. It's been hit by Helene and lost everything, so I don't want to be up there in the way. So if it just seems like I'm going to be in the way, I'm just going to turn around, head back. But I figured we'd try to go up there and help. I'll take some videos of the way up there and piece it together. Filling her up with 93, 368 in Kingsport, Tennessee. So get her topped off for the road trip. There's definitely better vehicles for this job, but we made some water fit. Okay, getting ready to hit 26 towards Johnson City, loaded up with water. Let's go do this.
A lot of road noise, but she handles the interstate really well. Jeep on the side of the road, not good.
Completely blocked off. I mean, a man could go through right there, but I'm not going to chance it. So we just got off exit 37. We're taking the detour, but we haven't even seen the first shelter or relief tent where you can donate supplies and stuff. But they have everything pretty much cleared up, and there's state troopers directing traffic everywhere. And 26 is completely blocked off, but we want to see if we can go just through Erwin and maybe see if there's anything we can do or a spot we can donate all this water at.
So we're going to head towards the Unicoi hospital because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen that on the news of all the patients being on top of the roof and having to be airlifted out. So I've heard there's some trailers that are offering free food and supplies to people, so I'm going to try to find that trailer or school bus, church, whatever it is, and donate this water, hopefully, and then head on our way back home. That way we're out of the way of other, like, the utility trucks and rescue squads and stuff.
Oh, there's police everywhere.
Doing all kinds of reconstruction stuff.
Oh yeah, clearing stuff out. A lot of debris. They're doing a great job cleaning everything up. It's impressive.
Yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday, so there's so many people out gawking around, I guess, at all the damage. So traffic's really bad. I'm still looking for a donation center. I'm just gonna drop my supplies off, head back to the house.
Okay, we found a relief center here. Let's see what's Rolling Thunder. That's pretty cool. There's a lot of people here. So go see what we can do.
Well, we stopped by that relief center, but they said they don't need any more water, which is understandable. They had a lot of it, so I'm gonna drive around, see if we can't find a smaller relief area to drop off this water. We're here at the Faith Baptist Church. Want to see if they will take our water. We decided we're just more in the way than anything, and so we're gonna head back home. But this is Erwin. This is on the way back. You guys can see a lot of devastation here. But there's a lot of cleanup effort going on. They're even repaving the road up there, burning some of this old brush that fell in the roads. But yeah, if you guys have a local donation center, just I suggest taking supplies, dropping them off there. That way you guys aren't in this mess. Most of this is just people, I guess, trying to get back home. This is their detour. A lot of it's probably just a bunch of people rubbernecking, looking at all the damage. But yeah, we decided it's best if we just get out of the way and let the locals, you know, free up the roads for them as much as we can. Because it sucks being in the way. I know some people just want to try and help, but trust me that the best thing to do is just donate to a local donation center if you guys have one, local church, high school, whatever. But I like the fact that we were trying to get in the heart of it and donate the supplies. That way we know exactly where they are going. I'm sure you guys have heard a bunch of rumors of, well, I don't know if they're rumors or if it's the truth, but FEMA confiscating supplies and redistributing them to other places. So the fact that I was under the impression that maybe if I take it to the heart of the area, you know, I can watch it be distributed on the spot, but it's just too much going on down here. So it's just best we get out of the way, and like I said, donate to someone local to us that will take supplies up here. Just frees up a lot of, I guess, roads and stuff for the big trucks and stuff to come through. Anyways, here's some more of Erwin here. It looks really good, all things considered. Okay, now we're coming back across 26. I'll try to get a quick video for you guys here. I just don't want to hold up traffic. I'm sure the locals have had enough of traffic backing everyone up.